SAR sensitivity can be decreased by decreasing the step. A lower step moves SAR further from price, which makes a reversal less likely. Similarly, SAR sensitivity can be increased by increasing the step. A higher step moves SAR closer to the price action, which makes a reversal more likely. The indicator will reverse too often if the step is set too high. This will produce whipsaws and fail to capture the trend. Chart on the screen shows stock with SAR 0.01, 0.20. The step is 0.01 and the maximum step is 0.20. Chart on the screen shows stock with a higher step, 0.03. SAR is more sensitive in stock with SAR 0.03, 0.20, because there are more reversals. This is because the step is higher in chart with SAR 0.03, 0.20 than chart with SAR 0.01, 0.20. The sensitivity of the indicator can also be adjusted using the maximum step. While the maximum step can influence sensitivity, the step carries more weight because it sets the incremental rate of increase as the trend develops. Also, note that increasing the step ensures that the maximum step will be hit quicker when a trend develops. Chart on the screen shows stock with a maximum step, 0.10, which is lower than the default setting, 0.20. This lower maximum step decreases the sensitivity of the indicator and produces fewer reversals. Notice how this setting caught a 2-month downtrend and a subsequent 2-month uptrend. Chart on the screen shows stock with a higher maximum step, 0.20. This higher reading produced extra reversals in early February and early April. The parabolic SAR works best with trending securities, which occur roughly 30% of the time according to Wilder's estimates. This means the indicator will be prone to whipsaws over 50% of the time or when a security is not trending. After all, SAR is designed to catch the trend and follow it like a trailing stop. As with most indicators, the signal quality depends on the settings and the characteristics of the underlying security. The right settings combined with decent trends can produce a great trading system. The wrong settings will result in whipsaws, losses, and frustration. There is no golden rule or one-size-fits-all setting. Each security should be evaluated based on its own characteristics. Parabolic SAR should also be used in conjunction with other indicators and technical analysis techniques.